What's up, guys? Coach Michael here. And yeah, I'm in my bathrobe. I just woke up, but I'm inspired because I wanted to talk to you a little bit about this week's habit, which is plan a PN friendly meal. And I love this habit because a large part of success is planning your meals. And if you guys see me in the gym, then you know I plan a lot of meals. And I have my system. I have my book bag that I pack my food. I have my tiffin. If you've been at the gym in the afternoon, you see me bust out my tiffin. I usually pack, like a lunch and a second lunch for the gym. Sometimes snacks and post-workout stuff. Um, One of the things that I do when I plan my meals is I run through a little checklist. And this checklist may sound familiar to you because it has been the last um, 4 habits that we've worked on. So when I plan my meals, I go through my checklist. Number 1, where's my protein? I need 1 to 2 palms of protein, depending on how many meals I'm having that day. Number 2, where are my vegetables? I need 1 to 2 fists of veggies. Number 3, where are my smart carbs? I need 1 to 2, actually 3 to 4 cupped handfuls of starchy carbs. For me, it might be different for you. But I'm looking at if I have rice, if I have quinoa, if I have potatoes, sweet potatoes, if I have fruit. And finally, 1 to 2 thumbs of healthful fats. So for me, that's almond butter, peanut butter. Sometimes it's a small handful of walnuts, macadamia nuts, uh, chimichurri, right? I've been making chimichurri lately. We got some parsley, and I put mad olive oil in the chimichurri, so I count that as my fat source. So, as you're planning your meals, going through your checklist, where's my protein? Where's my veggies? Where are my carbs? And where are my fats? And so you can plan your PN friendly meals and feel confident that you're going to be feeling full and satisfied. And finally, don't forget to enjoy those meals slowly and to eat until you're 80% full.